Page 17, harmonic fourths and fifths. You remember we have melodic intervals and harmonic intervals, and on page 16 we did the melodic fourths and fifths. I didn't mention they're melodic, but they are because it's like in a melody, one note after another. Harmonic is when they're at the same time. So here at the top you have a C and an F. It's a fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the C and the G is a fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, be careful when saying note names because you go up. So a C and an F is a fourth, excuse me, but an F and a C is not. A C and a G is a fifth, but a G and a C is not. Remember the inversion? You subtract it from the number 9 and you'll get the other. So if a C and an F is a fourth, an F to a C is a fifth because 4 and 5 are 9. So if I go from F to C, I'm going up. It's a fifth. But C and F is a fourth. Well, C and a G is a fifth, but a G and a C is a fourth. Remember, the two add up to 9. Just keep it in mind. So the harmonic, you're playing them at the same time. And again, for the technique on these, as with most any chord, is I put my hand in the position for the chord. In this case, I'm going to use the thumb and the ring finger. So these fingers will be down, the other fingers will be up, and I'm just going to lower the whole hand. I'm going to let the weight of the hand and the arm actually push the notes down. Hopefully at the same time. It takes some practice. And then for the fifth, again, it's the little finger. So I'm just switching which finger is down when I want to play them. That's all it is. And so keep that in mind as you're playing these, because it will come in handy a lot later when the music gets a little more interesting. This technique stuff, if you can learn it now and kind of get it to be automatic for you now, then you have less to think about when the music gets challenging. Hopefully this is not challenging yet, hopefully. So let's play this together to double check the notes. Now it's harder to hear the notes when you're playing multiple notes at a time. But if you're playing notes and I'm playing a note and I play this and you play this, hopefully you can tell that they don't sound the same. That's what it doesn't sound like. It's saying there's something off. So then you go back and you double check your notes. The bottom note here is a C, and then the top note there is an F. Just double check your notes in that case. But as long as they sound the same, then you can figure, okay, yeah, you got it correct. So let's play this together slowly. Again, 4/4 time. This is medium loud. I got that medium loud at the bottom again. It's just medium loud across. That's what you need to know. All the way across the line. This one is repeated, so we're going to play it twice. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's try it out. So you're in C position still. Won't be there forever, but right now, enjoy it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.